Hey there, vodka lovers! Ever wondered what makes vodka the superstar of the spirits world? Today, I'm pulling back the curtain on vodka, revealing some mind-blowing facts and hidden secrets. Let's dive in. So what exactly is vodka? Most of us know it's a clear spirit typically made from grains, but did you know it can be made from almost anything? Yeah, really. From corn and potatoes to grapes, rice, and even milk. Yep, there's milk-based vodka out there. Some distilleries even get creative with apples and honey. The possibilities are endless. When you think of vodka, Russia and Poland probably come to mind, right? But here's a fun tidbit. The word vodka comes from the Slavic word voda, meaning water. Back in the day, it was used for medicinal purposes, like treating colds. Imagine your doctor prescribing a shot of vodka. It all started in 8th century Russia, and by the 1500s, it became a mainstream drink. Now, how does vodka go from grain to glass? It's usually distilled multiple times, but premium vodkas might go through up to 7 rounds of distillation, making it super smooth. Some distilleries even use natural minerals in their water to enhance flavor. Ever had a vodka that's silky smooth? That's why. After distillation comes filtering. Many vodkas use charcoal, but some go the extra mile with diamonds. That's what makes some vodkas so incredibly smooth. Alright, time to bust some myths. First up, all vodkas taste the same. Not true? Vodkas made from different bases actually taste different. Potato vodka is creamier, wheat vodka is lighter and crisper. Next myth, vodka has no flavor. Wrong again. Some vodkas are infused with fun flavors like blackberry or chili. And finally, vodka's not just for cocktails. You can use it to clean your house or even as a natural deodorant. Crazy, right? Speaking of wild uses, did you know vodka can be used as a natural deodorant? It kills bacteria, keeping you fresh for hours. It's also great in facial toners to tighten skin and reduce acne. And if you've got hair product buildup, vodka can help. Plus, it works as bug repellent. Just mix with water and it'll keep mosquitoes away. Who knew vodka had so many uses? Now let's talk about enjoying vodka. Ever tried frozen vodka? Just pop it in the freezer for a smooth, silky shot. Or go for a classic vodka soda with a splash of lime. It's super refreshing. Love brunch? Try a Bloody Mary with horseradish, pickled veggies, and celery. And for the adventurous, why not infuse your vodka? Add citrus, herbs, or even spicy peppers for a unique twist. Fun to experiment with. Here's a surprising fact. Vodka is one of the healthier alcohol choices, low in calories and carbs. It also has the lowest amount of congeners, which contribute to hangovers. So, compared to darker spirits, vodka can leave you with less of a headache. Just don't overdo it. Remember to drink responsibly and always hydrate. There you have it. Vodka is way more than just a party drink. It's got history, versatility, and even some surprising uses. What's your favorite way to drink vodka? Let me know in the comments. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more fun facts. Cheers and see you next time.